In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Photopea. So here I am in Photopea and I have an image already uploaded. So make sure you're ready with that. So to start off, just select the layer that your image is in. So mine is in this layer, it's already selected. Make sure that you select it. And the next thing you can do is now go over here at the top and click on Edit. And then you'll see all these settings or options. Click on Free Transform. You can also note the shortcut if you want to use it again, Alt Control T. So once you click on it, you'll see all these scaling buttons that you can use, and you can just scale it just like this. And that's about it. And there's also nice ways to scale this. If you want it to stay in the center while scaling it, then you can hold Alt while scaling this, and as you can see, it's keeps it in the ratio. If you want to stretch it, however, let me get this back. If you want to stretch it, then you hold Shift while scaling it. So you can hold Shift, and as you can see, it starts stretching it, and you can stretch it this way. If you hold Alt and Shift, it's going to stretch it both sides, just like that, symmetrically. So there's many ways to scale just like that. But that's basically how you can scale an image in Photopea. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.